Hey everyone, how was your week? So this next week, I think I figured out all the bugs so everybody can watch this. We've had some issues with different grades not being able to see everything. So here is the lesson for this week. Okay, this is the page that you'll be watching right here. This is it right there. So the next page is the superhero warm-up, same as last time. This time, just do warm-up. You can pick one, you can pick two, whatever you want. They're a lot of fun. So click on that link and go to the super. Now, fitness dice. This is a little video. If you don't have a dice at home,
welcome to Superhero Dice.
You can just do this video. So it's kind of, whoops, sorry. Let me do this real quick. Okay, you'll roll the dice, see what number you get, and the number will be the exercise. You will do the exercise for 30 seconds and then 10 seconds to roll the dice. There are 10 rounds to do. So depending on what you get, you will get to do it. So here we go. I'll give you an example. Now, if you don't have a dice, you can just pause, and whatever shows is the number you can do. And once you get to the I say I got a 6, so now after this time runs out, I'd pick 6 and I'd do push-ups. You could do star jumps, high knee runs, leg fluttering, mountain climbers, and toe touches. So those are all the different activities. So if you don't have a dice, you can just use the example by pausing it, but if you have a dice, you can just roll it. Here's a really cool challenge, this soccer speed challenge. It has different levels to do, whatever grade you are. Use socks and a little basket. It's a lot of fun. This guy has really good stuff. I'm really impressed. And the last one, this is a really funny video. If you know anything about soccer, I think you'll have fun. Even if you don't, it will be. It's just fun. It's a team from, I think, Minnesota. Explain all the rules of soccer. So if you get a chance, I'd really like you to watch this. And then make sure you let your teacher know how you're doing. All right. If you have any questions, I'll go back to the beginning here. Slide 1. All right. If you have any questions, hopefully I can help you. But good luck on everything, and I miss you guys.